Looks like it's time to find out just what an adventure pup Freya really is. Bike is ready. Pup is behind me. We'll get her into the canine sport sack and get her little goggles on her and go for a ride and see how it turns out. You ready? So it turns out Freya is an adventure dog, or maybe an ADV dog. She rode on the back of the bike for almost an hour and really seemed to enjoy it. She made some friends along the way. Definitely brightened the day of some people that were stuck in traffic. I think it was a good first ride. What do you think? Was it a good first ride? Yeah, I think it was a good first ride. Yeah. Stay tuned.